Running a successful restaurant is no small feat, and one critical aspect of your business is payment processing. Whether you're a trendy bistro, a cozy cafe, or a bustling diner, having a reliable and cost-effective payment processing solution is essential. That's where DAC comes in, offering tailored, efficient, and unbeatable solutions for restaurants. In this comprehensive guide, we'll show you why DAC is the best choice for credit card processing for the restaurant industry. Simple and affordable. At DAC, simplicity and affordability are at the core of their payment processing solutions. They understand that restaurants need systems that work seamlessly and won't break the bank. Here's why DAC excels. Multiple processors for your needs. DAC represents multiple processors, allowing them to match you with the best processor specifically suited to your restaurant's unique needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach that's all about what works best for you. A one-stop shop designed to save you money. DAC is your one-stop shop for payment processing, offering streamlined solutions to help you save money. Their commitment to affordability is so strong that they guarantee it. If they can't meet or beat your current rate, you get $250. Limited time, terms and conditions apply. See website for details. A promise that speaks volumes about their confidence in their pricing. Secure and reliable. In the restaurant industry, downtime can be costly, not just in terms of revenue, but also in terms of customer satisfaction. DAC recognizes the need for secure and reliable payment processing. Here's how they deliver. Industry-leading processing platforms. DAC's processors provide industry-leading processing platforms with virtually 100% uptime. This level of reliability ensures that your customers can make payments without disruptions, and your business can continue to thrive. Customized solutions. Your restaurant is unique, and DAC understands that. That's why they provide customized solutions designed to meet your specific requirements. These solutions allow you to accept payments in a way that suits your restaurant best. Online, in-person, or on the go. Whether you're running a traditional dine-in restaurant, offering online ordering, or hitting the streets with a food truck, DAC's processors have the tools you need to accept payments seamlessly. Transparent fees. Hidden fees can be a nightmare for restaurant owners, eating into your profits and taking your focus away from providing an exceptional dining experience. With DAC, you can expect transparency and no more unexpected fees. Customer service. In the restaurant world, service is paramount. DAC brings the same level of excellence to their customer service, ensuring that you have access to friendly and knowledgeable technical support whenever you need it. 24/7/365 support. Issues don't wait for convenient times to arise, and neither does DAC's support. You can reach out for assistance 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It's the kind of reliability you can count on. In the restaurant industry, where efficiency, reliability, and cost-effectiveness are critical, DAC stands out as the best choice for credit card processing. They offer customized solutions that match your specific needs, transparent pricing, and unbeatable customer service. Their commitment to your success is unwavering, and their focus on saving you money is a testament to their dedication to your restaurant's financial well-being. DAC is not just a payment processor, they're your trusted partner in the restaurant business. If saving time, stress, and money with DAC makes sense to you, please click the link below to get started with a quote.